Hello friends, in this short video I'm going to tell you that how to use blur effect or how you can add blur effect on your video using Filmora, Wondershare Filmora. So let's start here. Let's say I have this video here for demonstration, and just for information I'm using Filmora 9, but the steps I'm going to tell you going to work with your other versions of Filmora as well. So I have a video here, a short video. If you can see here, um, and that I see few icons, and in that I just wanted to blur a few of the icons, or a set of icons from this video. So yep, I'll show you how to do that.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
In order to do that, you should go to the effects, and you should have many options in the left hand pane here. So but you should go to the utility, and from the utility there's certain options here you can see, but the best one I can see is mosaic. So if you just drag it down here, just upper of the timeline of the video, and then just you can just adjust with the timeline where you wanted to do that. And when you select that, you will see here the portion. It is selected this way. You just drag it there wherever you want, where you want to blur, and you just make it like that way you wanted to do. Let's say I just wanted to hide all the icons from my right side, and yeah, there are certain options. If you just double click on it, and it will give you some more options regarding this uh, effect. So you can see here there are certain options, what kind of type you wanted to select, and it will change accordingly on your video. And same goes with the blur amount. There's a percentage 50% by default. You can increase or decrease according to your need. Opacity also, yeah, you can do. You can see here it's changing out, to the right side on the video. So 100% I think is a good one. Just click OK, set to the timeline where you wanted to do, adjust the width and height wherever you wanted to fit that, and just it's done. So now if you just play the video, you will see the right panel of my video is blurred. We cannot see that what is on it. So just for the security and privacy. And when you export the video, the same you will see in original video, the exported video one. So this is how you can do, um, or you can use a blur effect on your video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.